Hi everyone, today I will show you how to use wipeout command in AutoCAD. The wipeout command is used for cleaning text backgrounds, hiding extra lines behind the symbol, just like that. We have lines behind the symbol here. So let's eliminate these lines with the help of the wipeout command. Type here wipeout and here you select the area or frame from this point to this point, then type C for close. Now you can see that this wipeout frame hide both the lines and the symbol. Now we want to see the symbol. Type here DR, draw order, enter, select the wipeout frame, enter. Now click here under objects and select the symbol, then enter. Now you can see the symbol, but you cannot see the line. So now you can manipulate this frame as per your own requirement. So you can play with the wipeout frame. Same way here. Again type wipeout, enter, and select the area or frame. Then type C for close. Again type draw order, DR, enter and select the wipeout frame, enter, and click here under objects and select the symbol. Again you can manipulate this wipeout frame to adjust the frame as per your own requirement. So we have here also, we can again use here wipeout command. Select the frame. Just select these points 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now type C for close. Type draw order, DR, select the wipeout frame, enter, select here under objects, and click and select the symbol. Again you can play with the wipeout frame. So in this way we can use wipeout command in AutoCAD.